All right, for those who want to know, let's turn the light on. Okay, it is nighttime. Here you can see how bright the light actually is. Welcome back to another review. For today's video, we are reviewing this solar light. Okay guys, there's quite a few things to unpack here. But first of all, they give you a remote control, which is nice. It takes 2 AAA batteries. They give you a manual, your mounting brackets, and screws and pipe, everything needed for mounting. And this is it. This is the solar panel on the top. This is the light underneath the bottom here. As you can see, super bright. You have your on and off button right here. Sensor for picking up motion right on here. So of course, the light is going to be facing down while the solar panel is going to be facing upward. You'll have a couple modes. Refer to your manual for more information, but this is one mode where it picks up movement, also picks up for it to go away. Another mode where it stays on, but also can pick up sensor movement. As you guys can see, overall, very nice. So this is our backyard at midnight. And you guys can see how bright it is. So it's motion sensor. So if we wave our hand over here, you can change the modes. You can see nice up in the trees. Take it away. Pitch black. Lift it up. And that gives you guys an idea of how bright it really is.